Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your language on Melbet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Melbet and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface of Melbet on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and now you can see EN as a language symbol at top. Just simply click over there and now you can choose lots of language from here. You can select any language as your preference and you'll be able to change your language successfully. So basically this is how you can change your language in Melbet. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.